Good morning, folks. We're at the Sparkfly Fords again, and we're make another horn anvil, I call it. I got this one here. This is it looks to me like one of them railway malls. I got that one on a yard sale in Brigus there, around Brigus there last year. I know I paid like $2 for it. So I'm planning on making I need a horn anvil. It's going to sit in this, sit about this high, off the anvil. And the only piece of steel I got now is this old piece of rebar I picked up years ago. It's all rusted out and thrown out beyond the shed there and that. So I ground that down and I fit it in here. I'm going to have the forge square in it so that it'll go down into the patio. If you're getting that, I'm not too. Yeah, so that's the plan there now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one here off the length, and I'm going to forge a square in this, around inch by inch. Yeah, hope it works out alright. If not, it's only a piece of junk steel, eh? So anyhow, we'll get back to you shortly. I want some said about the AI, so I'm going to be resting on the stump here. So around there, I guess. I know you're getting that. Oh, there we go. So yeah, with the AI, I was stuck up 4 inches or so for working around, and yeah, let's get it chopped off now. Alright, stop. End up with so far, I used 3.5 inches there, and I rolled on a little quarter round stock. It's good, don't jam up, fits both ways, that way it goes. Now, for this thing, go on here. I don't know if that's going to be a bit too high or not. I think I might lower it down to, say, there. Yeah. Plus I got to do a bit of shaping on this, make it more round, and round this side here up a bit. But that's for after dinner now. It's dinner time, so we'll see you in an hour, which is only going to be like a couple of seconds for you guys. Enjoy your lunch. A bit more falling there now. We'll clean her up and then we'll start welding. Well, there we go, folks. That's our end result there. Welding's not all that great, but it's getting better all the time. Yeah, my sledgehammer. Fits in 4 directions. Yeah, should be alright. Making a few things with, as you can see. The phone and the charger there now. Phone there lost. What about 2 Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. There's these horns on this anvil here is huge. I was setting for a wall there, growing it down, but there's a lot of work to be done with them. So this one here now, and you can do a little bit of work on these. This here, and this one here if I need, and I can round these down. That's alright. Great for future projects there. A few of mine. We're starting out a couple next week there now, and yeah. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. It's roughly 4 o'clock now, and the young fella now said he's coming over for a few hours after supper, so I'm gonna give up now for the weekend, and that's it. So anyway, guys, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.